Hey, Coach Greg here, and if you are trying to burn some arm fat, then I have a couple exercises that are gonna help you do just that. Let's do it. So without further ado, let's get started with our first exercise. We're gonna do some monkey pumps. Stand up nice and tall, feet shoulder width apart. 30 seconds on the clock, and here we go. We just want to get our elbows to meet as close as they can, and we go right into an overhead press. Also see if you can get your elbows to be at eye level. If you are not flexible like I am, then this is a little difficult, but this is gonna feel so good on your arms. You want your palms facing you when they're in, and then reach as high as you can overhead. Just like this. Get a nice cadence. I have a slight bend in my knees. Let's do one more, and done. Oh, I felt that already, but we are not done. We're moving right into tricep pulses. We just wanna hinge from our hips. We're gonna reach forward with our hands and then bring them behind. And we are doing tricep pulses in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. I like to have my back flat, suck your belly button to your spine. Really reach with your hands. Keep it right here in this pocket. You're gonna feel it all up in your triceps. Really engage them, engage your core. Just like this. Make sure you're breathing. This is really gonna help you tone and define your arms. They're gonna look nice and slim. A couple more seconds here. 3, 2, 1, and drop. Great job. Next, we have some chest fly. Stand up nice and tall. 30 seconds, and here we go. Arms out in front of you, really reach, and then we're opening up as wide as we can. You're gonna feel it in your back as well. And then we're just trying to keep that tension. Think as if there's like a resistance band attached. I mean, you could technically just use a resistance band. Pretend there's like a resistance band connected to your arms right now that are forcing them together. So we're just trying to really squeeze. You're gonna feel it all up in your triceps, your shoulders, your biceps, everywhere. Couple more seconds here. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Shake out your arms. Because last we have T, Y, I's. Just a variation of the IYT. We like to switch it up here at Sculpt. Feet shoulder width apart, slight bend in our knees, hinge from your hips. We got TYIs in 3, 2, 1. We just want to open up into a T. Again, reaching with the fingertips. Then we open up into a Y, thumbs up, and then open up into a Y, or I should say, right here. So T, Y, and I. There it is. I really like to make sure I have a strong, stable base. Screw your feet into the ground. Your core is tensed. Even though we're working out our arms, you want your whole body to be engaged. Let's do one more, and done. Great job. Those are your 4 exercises. Grab some water if you need to, but we are gonna jump into set number 2. No more talking from me. Music is gonna go up, and we are gonna burn some arm fat. Let's get it. Monkey pumps, 3, 2, 1, go. Tricep pulses, 3, 2, 1, go. Chest flies, 3, 2, 1, go. TYI, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, second set is done. Great job. Set number 3 starts now. Monkey pumps, 3, 2, 1, go. Tricep pulses, 3, 2, 1, go. Chest flies, 3, 2, 1, go. TYI, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That is how you burn arm fat fast. Hopefully you love this workout. You can do more sets. You can restart this video. You can add it to your daily queue where you're like, what am I gonna do to work out this morning? Boom, put on this video and you will get nice and toned arms in no time. I'm Coach Greg. I will see you in the next video, my friends. Stay strong. Peace. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.